If you've ever downloaded an asset that was built for Cycles, switched it to Octane, and suddenly all your materials were broken, this video's for you. Most people assume that switching render engines means rebuilding every single material by hand, but you actually don't have to do that anymore. My name is Patrick LeVar. I've been working with Blender for over 6 years, and I use Octane consistently, especially when I bring in Cycles-based assets into an Octane workflow. In this video, I'll show you an add-on that converts Cycles materials to Octane in basically one click, how it works on real assets, and what to expect when you have materials that get more complex. Enough of my jibber jabber, let's get into the video. This asset was originally built for Cycle. If I try to render it in Octane right now, the materials don't translate correctly. Instead of rebuilding everything, I'm gonna run the add-on. Boom, that's it. That one click is the entire point of this whole add-on. You convert first and you don't have to rebuild. Now let's try a real asset and not just like a demo scene. This is the kind of asset you'll actually download and want to use. Multiple materials and multiple textures. I'll give the add-on a run again. Boom. All the textures come across the material and were assigned correctly, and now I can actually work in Octane without having to start from zero. Now this part is important. This is a complex conversion. Some nodes exist in Cycles that don't exist in Octane, and some Octane nodes don't have a one-to-one match in Cycles. So simple materials usually convert perfect in one click. Glass and more advanced materials will often need small adjustments, and that's completely normal when you switch render engines. Even in this case, this gets you to about 80–90% there, and you have to do a little bit of work on your own. The value here isn't perfection, it's speed. You use this to convert assets fast and then only tweak what actually needs attention. If you're using cycle-based assets and want to work in Octane, this add-on can save you a massive amount of time. If you're interested in the add-on, I'll leave a link down below. Now, if you're new to Blender Octane and you want to learn a little bit more, I have a free 101 guide, links down in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video.